Quinoa is found in the Andean region of South America, a versatile and nutritious seed, which has a rich history and plays an important role in a balanced diet. With a cultivation history spanning around 5,000 years, quinoa is not only ancient, but also versatile, flourishing in a rainbow of colors. But before you cook it, quinoa undergoes a crucial process to remove bitter-tasting saponins, making it palatable and delicious. Here are the nutritional benefits of quinoa. Firstly, it's important to note that quinoa is an excellent source of protein. Not just any protein, but complete protein. This means it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies cannot produce on their own. These amino acids are crucial for muscle building and repair, as well as the production of hormones and enzymes. Secondly, quinoa is also packed with dietary fiber. Having a high-fiber diet is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. It aids in preventing constipation, lowering cholesterol levels, and controlling blood sugar levels. Third, quinoa is also rich in essential minerals such as iron, magnesium, and zinc. Iron is vital for oxygen transportation in the body. Magnesium contributes to nerve function and muscle contraction, while zinc plays a key role in immune function. Quinoa is a great source of vitamins and antioxidants too. It contains vitamins B and E, along with antioxidants that help to combat harmful free radicals in the body, promoting overall health. Additionally, quinoa is gluten-free, making it a fantastic choice for individuals with gluten intolerance or celiac disease. It's a nutritious alternative to wheat, barley, and rye. Quinoa, with its high protein content and rich nutritional profile, is a powerhouse of health benefits. This ancient grain, once revered by the Incas, continues to be a staple for those seeking a balanced and nutritious diet. But how do you incorporate quinoa into your meals, you might wonder? Well, the beauty of quinoa lies in its versatility. Just like rice or pasta, it can be used as a base for a variety of dishes. Quinoa's mild flavor and pleasing crunch make it a wonderful addition to your salads. Toss it in with some fresh greens, perhaps a bit of feta, and your favorite dressing for a hearty, healthy lunch. It also works wonders in soups, adding a depth of texture while soaking up the flavors of your broth. And let's not forget desserts. Quinoa's natural nuttiness can be a delightful surprise in a chocolate cake or a batch of muffins. Just imagine, a dessert that's both scrumptious and packed with protein. As for cooking quinoa, methods are many. Boiling is the most common, but toasting it in a dry skillet before cooking can bring out an irresistible nutty flavor. With its versatility in cooking and rich nutritional content, quinoa is a must-add to your diet for a healthier lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more healthy cooking tips.